Skin1004 Madagascar ampoules are all the rage right now. Everyone seems to love them. But the problem is, with so many versions of these ampoules, how do you know which one is the right for you? Or if they're right for you at all? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving deep into their most popular ampoules. I'll explain what makes them special, who they're best for, and how to use them for maximum results. Now, let the quiz get started. First, we're going to start with the most popular one, Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule. If you've been dealing with stubborn dark spots or hyperpigmentation, this might just be your new favorite. This ampoule is loaded with niacinamide, ethyl ascorbic acid, and tranexamic acid, all known for evening out your skin tone. And those little white bits, you see? They're called made white microbeads, which burst as you massage the ampoule into your skin, delivering a concentrated brightening boost. The texture is rich but very lightweight, making it a great option for both morning and night routines. I've been using this for more than a month now, and while it's too early to see a drastic results, I can already feel my skin looking smoother and more even. Most of all, it's very soothing and hydrating. If you have dull or uneven skin and hyperpigmentation is one of your top concerns, this ampoule is worth a try. No fragrance and suitable for all skin types. Just apply a few drops after cleansing. Do massage gently though until the capsules dissolve and follow up with a good moisturizer. Let's move on to the next ampoule, that is Madagascar Centella Ampoule. This ampoule is a bestseller for a reason, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It's incredibly simple yet effective, made with pure Centella extract, which are fantastic for hydrating, repairing, and deeply nourishing your skin. The texture is rich, but don't worry, it absorbs surprisingly fast. I have been enjoying this product so far. No fragrance, suitable for all skin type, and if you're looking for deep nourishment and repair, this one is to go for. Number 3. Madagascar Centella Poremizing Fresh Ampoule. Okay, oily and combination skin types, this one is for you. The Poremizing Fresh Ampoule might be the product if you're dealing with enlarged pores or uneven texture. This ampoule combines 9 types of peptides, Centella extract, and pink Himalayan salt. Peptides are amazing for anti-aging and improving elasticity, although I must remind you that the product itself claims no anti-aging benefits. The salt helps absorbing excess oil and thus tighten and smooth your pores. The texture of the product is also ideal for oily skin. It's lightweight and almost water-like, but with just enough viscosity to feel luxurious. I personally haven't seen much difference in terms of pores, but I should mention that I was never really concerned about pores to begin with, so I really haven't used it very consistently as I have dry to combination, mostly dry skin. But if your skin is prone to excess oil but still needs the hydration, this ampoule strikes the perfect balance. Number 4 and last but not the least, Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Tea-Trica Relief Ampoule. If your skin is irritated, sensitive, or breaking out, this ampoule is like a soothing hug for your face. It calms inflammation, reduces redness, and helps repair your skin barrier. It's also super lightweight and watery, which is great for hot, humid climates. Suitable for all skin types, but especially great for oily and acne-prone skin. So, how do you choose between these 4? Here's a quick recap to help you decide. Dealing with hyperpigmentation and uneven tone, go for Tone Brightening Capsule Ampoule. Struggling with dryness and mature skin? Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Tea-Trica Relief Ampoule. Oily or combination skin looking for pore tightening? Try the Poremizing Fresh Ampoule. Sensitive or acne-prone skin in need of soothing? Stick with Madagascar Centella Ampoule. How to use them? No matter which ampoule you choose, the application is pretty straightforward. Start with a clean face, apply 2 to 3 drops of the ampoule and gently pat it into your skin until fully absorbed. Follow up with a moisturizer to lock in all the goodness, and if you're using it during the day, always finish with sunscreen. Remember, skincare is not one size fits all. So pick the ampoule that matches your skin's need and give it enough time to show its magic. Have you tried any of these ampoules? Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more skincare tips. Until next time, this is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.